This video will cover the Vertiv DSView Solution MP1000 bulk firmware update. Please note that bulk updates are only possible for devices of the same device type. To begin, log in to the MP1000 web interface. You should be on the appliance view page. Otherwise, navigate to the left-hand sidebar, select Targets and Appliance View. Then, hover over the row of the desired devices and check the box on the left side. For this video, I'll be selecting the ACS devices. Once you have selected the devices to be upgraded, you have two options to update the firmware. You can click the firmware update icon above the list of targets, or scroll to the right, select the vertical ellipses, and select Firmware Update. From here, the Firmware Update dialog box will appear. Depending on the device, you have the ability to update from your local server, TFTP, FTP, or HTTP. If you're uploading the file locally, you can select the Upload File tab, then click Choose File, and browse to the firmware file. You can also drag and drop the file. If you are using TFTP, FTP, or HTTP, fill in the provided fields and then click Update. For the devices selected, we have the option to update using FTP. Below, I'll enter the file location syntax, then the file name, then the username and the password. Once you select Update, you'll get the pop-up that a firmware update process is in progress. To view the details of your pending firmware update, you can navigate to the left-hand sidebar under Administration and select Firmware Updates. The selected devices should be updated. And this will conclude our video on the Vertiv DSView Solution MP1000 bulk firmware update.